Hi, I consider that the technological advance that we have as a double result. On the one hand, it generates a lot of employment, improves the economic situation of each person, and facilitates different activities that were difficult to execute at first. But on the other hand, it affected our ecosystem since they exceeds million of companies that extract mineral reserve to use it in different device that require fuels for their operation. Eh, Most people say these have sometimes normal and many times they are unaware of all the damage behind the acquisition of fuels should have gasoline. Um, for this simple fact is that we present a fairly high level of contamination since people do not see beyond of their nets. Um, they simple think I the present for their own benefit. What they do know is that be unconsciously supporting this ad they give the power to say companies to continue extracting affecting our planet. Uh, on the other hand, at present there are also people who know the damage that global warming is generating. These people make they do not agree with these activities since a moment where are benefits from these but in a few years the damage to our ecosystem will be very severe. In some countries, government are already adopting measures that seek to obtain energy from sunlight and use in certain activities. There, there are automobiles um, companies that are creating electric cars that work with sunlight and are more environmentally friendly. Thank you.